Hmm. As we move into today's meditation, I invite you to let your breath take you into the silence. Those beautiful words, that lovely music. You might choose to gently close your eyes to shut out any visual distractions. And now, follow your breath in and out as you consciously relax your whole body. If thoughts come up, just gently acknowledge them. And then move your focus back to your breath. Breathing in slowly to a count of 4 or 5. Holding to a count of 4. And then slowly releasing to a count of 8 or 10. This isn't a race. It's a slow, measured pace. And as we know, it's that exhale breath that relaxes you and takes you deeper. Settling in to that relaxed place of being one with the one. Memorial Day weekend started me to think about the word honor. Webster's dictionary says to honor someone is to regard or treat them with admiration and respect. To regard or treat with honor. The word namaste comes from Sanskrit and means bowing to you. I bow to you. I honor you. The gesture namaste represents the belief that there is a divine spark within each of us. It's located near our heart chakra, and the gesture is an acknowledgement of the soul in one person to the soul in another. When we honor someone, we speak to them kindly. We hold them in high regard. It's easier to honor those that you love or respect, accepting them as they are and appreciating them for who they are. Maybe as I said those words, someone came to mind for you, someone that you honor and respect, someone who you appreciate. Invite them to be with you and let your heart express your love and appreciation for them. Maybe they watched over you when you were young, a parent, a teacher, an older sibling. Maybe they are someone who's always been there for you, and you knew that no matter what, they held your best interest at heart. I invite you to whisper their name. Give gratitude for their support of you. Honor the essence of their being. I'll give you a minute to reflect upon, call upon those that have supported you on your journey. All of those you honor and hold in high regard. And now to the harder part. those who don't resonate with you, those you have difficulty with, whose actions, beliefs, or words annoy you. Maybe someone immediately comes to mind for you. Maybe it's really hard to get to the point of honoring them, the other. You don't have to condone their words, their actions, or their behavior. However, we can honor them for their being. If we lift ourselves up to that higher level, we can meet each other at the divine level. That place where personalities and annoying behavior dissolve. And we can connect with them as that unique expression of God that is our source. Maybe the kindest thing that we can say to them is the metta prayer. May you not have hatred. May you experience love. Socrates spoke of honoring people by using what is called the triple filter. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? To incorporate Socrates' powerful questions, we can apply a helpful acronym as we shape our relationship with others. Think. Is it true? Is it helpful? Is it necessary? Is it kind? Think. This acronym is useful in applying your words, your actions, and your intentions when relating to others. Now think about who you talk to most. Who came to mind? Maybe your partner, or your best friend, or a family member? I would suggest that the person you talk to the most is yourself. Are you honoring yourself? Are you saying things to yourself that are true? That are helpful? That are necessary? That are kind? Are you honoring your own being? We in Unity know the power of affirmations and denials. We know the power of words. Let your self-talk be filtered by think. Be kind to yourself. Be kind in your words and in your actions and in your deeds. And as my mentor, Mr. Rogers said, there are 3 ways to ultimate success. The first way is to be kind. The second way is to be kind. And the third way is to be kind. Namaste, my friends. Namaste.